Hey guys, welcome back to my channel herbn.locs. It is your girl Caira and I'm back again, and I'm so sorry that I've been gone for so long. I've been gone for a couple months. Today's video is actually going to be just on the products that I'm using. I know you can't see them all over here, and I've been actually using all these products for like months, so it's been a little while. Before we get started, I do just want to go ahead and thank all the subscribers that I do have. You guys are always appreciated. I know I don't post and I don't do right by y'all, but thank you. Still, I'm gonna do right though. Thank you for being here. So we're gonna get into these products. Now y'all know I love my natural stuff. I don't really use nothing if it's not natural, okay? That's all I use. So I actually have been using this company named the brand Lovely for like about a year now. Okay, so I'm missing a couple different scents types, but one of them is running out. Oh, actually I think this is the one that is running out. This is the Lovely Day one. I guess we'll use her up. Now, brand Lovely also has an oil that I use. This is their Lovely Gold Exhilarating Hair Oil. Let me tell you, this shit right here smells like cupcakes, and I mean it. It smells like some nice cake. It smells delicious. It smells so damn good. This oil has grapeseed oil, argan, vitamin E, olive oil, jojoba oil, flaxseed, sesame oil, hemp seed oil. There is a lot of good stuff in here. I don't think it's gonna focus. That oil is really good. Now back to these mists though, and I just bounced around. Deionized water, grapeseed oil, hibiscus flower, chamomile extract, aloe vera. Like what? And they smell bomb. One of them smells like those little green peppermints that you get in a candy bowl at your grandma's house with the red ones that be mixed in. There's like a more so unisex one. I believe it started off as a men's originally, but now it is a unisex, and that is this Lovely Night one. Damn, it smells good. It smells good too. All right, so this one, I don't really know. I can't pinpoint a smell what this one smells like. I think this is the one that smells like the peppermints. Yup. That Lovely Rain, this is the one that smells like them bomb ass peppermints. The Lovely Day, which is almost gone. I don't know, but it just smells like a good ass thing. A Lovely Day. Okay, real quick, let me just go on their Instagram page. Okay, so the Lovely Night one, which is the one that's like the unisex one, that one has a spicy wood fragrance, okay? The Lovely Day, they describe this one as a floral fragrance. The Lovely Breeze, that's one that I don't have with me at the moment, but I have it. It's a crisp, fruity fragrance. The Lovely Rain, a minty fragrance. That's one that I said smells like the peppermints. And they describe the oil as a warm cake fragrance. Not just some stale ass cake that's been sitting on the counter. This is a warm cake fragrance. Okay? That's what it smells like. But these right here come in handy because I can just go on about my business, and they smell great. They're not that bad as far as price. So it's $16 per bottle. Now, I know that may sound like a lot. I know it may. But $16 it's not that bad. I know my little thing's crooked up here. $16 is not that bad because, like I said, this is all like natural stuff, and it's really good oils in here. Like, this is some really good stuff in here, so it's worth it. And these bottles do last you for a while. I can't really say how long one bottle is gonna last you because obviously I have all of them and I use them all. So that's that. Y'all know I love my normal oils. So what I've really been using lately, honestly, I really just use my sprays. But when I'm retwisting, I'll do my sprays as well, but I also do like my regular oils for my actual roots. So this is my organic hemp seed oil. This is really good for your hair too. Hemp seed oil is really good for your skin and your hair. It keeps your hair nourished, it keeps it moisturized, and it also helps like your shine, helping it not be like super dull looking. The brand Sky Organics, I've been actually using this brand for years too, whether it be with their black soap or with the hemp seed oil or their shea butter. I have their shea butter. I haven't had the black soap in a while, but I do have their shea butter. All right, next, tea tree oil. We all know, or you should know about this bad boy, okay? Tea tree oil is also really good for your hair and really good for your skin too. You can use it on your face as a spot treatment, but tea tree oil is an essential oil, so you do want to make sure that you dilute your tea tree oil whenever you do use it, especially if you do use it on your face. Dilute it with some water or dilute it with a carrier oil. Speaking of carrier oils, hemp seed oil is a carrier oil, and just to give you some more examples, like olive oil, jojoba oil, those are all carrier oils, so they're okay to use on their own. But the more concentrated essential oils like tea tree oil, I don't know, peppermint oil, lemongrass or lemon oil, I don't even know what the hell lemongrass is, but more concentrated essential oils, they should be diluted before you use them. Tea tree oil is really good antibacterial, really good with stimulating your hair growth, because it does clean out those hair pores and hair follicles, so it helps to stimulate the growth from cleaning it out. But this is really, really good for bacteria. Tea tree oil will eat it up. Okay, get you some tea tree. Tea tree oil has like a very, when it's organic, it usually has like a stronger smell, kind of, not Vicks Vapor Rub, but maybe like a little bit of Vicks Vapor Rubby. Yeah, it does actually. I want to say this was about $10, maybe less. This is the brand Maple Holistics, I believe. Yeah, Maple Holistics. They actually sent me a flyer that said if I post a review on Amazon, they was going to send me 2 free bottles. And I did it, and I sent them the proof, so I better get my 2 free bottles. Okay? Better get them. So that's it for the tea tree. So jojoba oil is another good one that I use, and that's honestly about it. I bought avocado oil, but instead of it being in my hair, that shit's in the kitchen. So it hasn't made it to my hair yet. It's in the kitchen. I'll be cooking with it. It's really good for high heat, for cooking high heat foods, avocado oil. Now, next is just what I shampoo with usually. My wash days primarily consist of Dr. Bronners. Now, I don't know if you heard about Dr. Bronners, but this is a pure Castile soap. It's not like specifically a shampoo, but the thing about Dr. Bronners is there's so many uses for Dr. Bronners. As you can see right here, they have a list of at least 10 things that you can do, anywhere from washing your hair to washing your face to washing your clothes to washing your fruits and vegetables, to shaving, mopping, laundry, like washing your dog. Come on, doctor. Dr. B. So this is really, really good. It's of course organic, natural. This scent that I have right here is the hemp eucalyptus. This was actually the first time that I bought this bottle. I think I will prefer the peppermint one, just because the peppermint one gives you like that clean feeling, like your head is going to be cold as hell when you get out the shower, but it's going to be clean as hell too. So, and also peppermint is really good for your hair too. It stimulates that hair growth. I actually use this to shampoo my locks, and I use this every day in the shower on my body, every day. And then I have this Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. Okay, shea butter, we all know, is really moisturizing, really, really good for your skin. Or not your skin. I mean, it is good for your skin too. Good for your skin and your hair. Peppermint, I didn't talk about peppermint enough. And then apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, of course, is amazing. It has amazing benefits for skin and hair, but it's really, really, really good at deep cleaning. Apple cider vinegar is great for a deep clean. I would recommend doing apple cider vinegar detox at least once a year. Now, I won't even say at least. I would say maybe do it once a year, because any more than that, it can be really drying and really stripping, so you want to be careful. It's going to get that shit clean, but you want to be careful. Don't do those too often. I don't know if I have a video on apple cider vinegar detox. I do actually. I have a video on that. If I can figure it out, I'll put it right here. Or right here. Okay, it's really good stuff in here. This is the only thing that I use by Shea Moisture. To be honest, this is good. This has like a... I really don't know how to describe this, except for the fact that it smells slightly like a good Play-Doh. Like really, it really smells like a good Play-Doh, I guess. I don't know. And then last but not least, I know this isn't an actual product, but this brushing your locks. I'm going to do a separate video on brushing your locks. I don't want to get too into it, but brushing your locks is actually very, very, very beneficial. Mature locks, don't brush some things. If you just started, don't brush some things if they're not locked up. Seriously, because you may comb that shit out and you can be looking at me crazy. So brush your locks only if they are mature. But brushing your locks is actually very beneficial. It helps to even push all these good oils and stuff that you're putting in your hair. This will help to push those down into your locks, and it'll also help to remove like surface lint if you have any surface lint. Now, of course, make sure that you are not using a brush that's too hard, because if you have a brush that's really hard bristle, then what it's gonna do, and I know this from experience because I did it before a long time ago. I brought one of them cheap ass beauty supply brushes and it ripped my damn hair out. I saw like pieces of my locks, straight pieces, because it had just like ripped it out. So just be very careful with the brush that you do buy. Be careful when you're brushing your locks in general, just because. And it is sweater season, so get you a goddamn brush. That way you don't walk around looking like Linty Lance. And brush some locks on, push some oils, help them penetrate, and yeah. So I use that. That's honestly everything that I use on my locks right now. I actually bought some coconut oil a couple of days ago for my Christmas cookies, my vegan Christmas cookies. I bought some coconut oil. I have a love-hate relationship with coconut oil, so honestly, I don't know. I may start using it again on my hair. We'll see. Okay, we'll see. But like I said, it's a love-hate, so I don't know. But as of now, this is what I use. My locks are doing pretty good, I would say. I'm about to actually hit my 4-year anniversary in 4 days. And I got a text message. In 4 days. So hopefully I can post this quickly. I'll say 4 days. It's December 26th. So we'll see how long it takes me to post this video. I'm gonna try to do it ASAP, okay? But stay tuned for my 4-year lock anniversary. Appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming. Hopefully you got some oils here. If you're more into like the natural route and you do want to learn some more about some oils, I do also have a oil benefit video that I posted a little bit ago, and I will put it here or put it here or put it in the description, one of them. Okay, and you can check that out, and that goes into a little bit more depth about certain oils and what they do for your hair, and you know the benefits and why. I mean, the benefits is what they do, but and why you would want to. Let me just shut that up. All right, so thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. That's all.